Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ang reading na to is about your future self. So this is a timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let us see. Tingnan natin kung ano yung timeline into the future. Ano yung timeline for Cancer. Okay. Oh, 5 years from now. Oh, medyo matagal-tagal to into the future. Okay, 5 years from now. So, let's see. Kuha tayo ng runes. 5 years from now for Cancer. Ano yung energies for them? Oh, wow. Okay. You have Isa, Berkanu, and Feihu. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, Cancerians, maaring nakakaramdam kayo ngayon na parang ang bagal ng progress, you feel stuck, parang walang nagbabago. That is because 5 years from now, merong major change for you that is going to happen. I know matagal pa yan, but ano siya gradual change para sa inyo. And this is going to be worth it, kaya just allow it to happen. Kasi Feihu is about prosperity, wealth, generosity. So it's like you are building your foundation na 'di ba pag nag-build tayo ng pundasyon kailangan mas matibay, kumbaga pagtutuunan mo ng oras, ng panahon, hindi siya minamadali. So that's what I'm seeing for you. With Berkanu, this is about new beginnings, fertility, divine guidance. So maaring may mga changes kasi along the way, no? You may be changing jobs, multiple careers, multiple sources of income, and yung experiences mo through those years, yan yung magiging kumbaga ingredients ng iyong foundation. 'Di ba? Yan yung magiging sangkap talaga ng pundasyon mo, kaya magiging matatag ka. And since matatag na yung foundation mo by that time, kumbaga magiging madali na lang yung pasok ng income sa'yo, ng swerte, ng abundance. So, kumbaga para kang nagtatanim. Oo. And, syempre, yung preparation, ng pagtatanim, kailangan palalakihin mo muna yung puno. Tapos, pag malaki na yung puno, namumunga na lang siya lagi, 'di ba? So, parang ganon yung nakikita ko for you 5 years from now. So, let's see, ano pa? What are the energies for Cancer 5 years from now? Alam nyo, napakabilis lang ng panahon. Kasi, 'di ba, 5 years ago, merong pandemic. Nag-start yung pandemic. 'Di ba? Ang bilis. Oh, speaking of paglago, you have the 3 of Pentacles, which is about expansion. Kung ikaw ay may business, maaring yung business mo 5 years from now, marami ng franchise. Hindi na lang ikaw yung nagbe-business para doon. Meron ka ng mga business partners. May nakikisosyo na sa'yo. 7 of Swords. Be careful rin, syempre, sa mga makakasama mo or makaka-business partner mo. Kasi, along the way, no, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na sa haba ng timeline na to, may mga learnings ka dyan sa mga experiences mo. And hayaan mo siyang mangyari dahil yun yung magiging reason para maging matatag ka. And lahat naman ng kailangan mangyari sa'yo, sa atin, sa ating lahat, what is meant to be, it will be. Oo. You have the 9 of Wands. See, this is about strength. Ito yung tipong nag-give up na yung iba dahil hindi na nila kayang maghintay, hindi na nila kayang mag-effort, mag-sacrifice. Pero ikaw, you still remain standing. You remain standing. So, sino ba ang, 'di ba, mananalo dyan? Syempre, ikaw, dahil nagsistay ka. Meron ka kasing driving force with the Knight of Wands. You are seeking for excitement, seeking for challenge actually, no? Mas gusto mo rin na challenge ka na para hindi boring yung ginagawa mo. Although merong mga temptations along the way, okay? May mga temptations, but syempre kumbaga ikaw yung driver ng sarili mong sasakyan eh. Na kung magpapadala ka ba sa temptations na yan. I also see you walking away from a toxic environment. Marirealize mo yan na kailangan mo nang umalis because it's no longer serving you, hindi ka na masaya doon, and you want a different path. You have the Queen of Cups, the Hermit, the Hierophant. Okay, some of you, meron kayong imamaster na abilities, skills, na maaring creative talents and creative skills nyo to na imamaster nyo na parang kayo yung talagang maituturing na expert sa field na yon, 'di ba? Na kumbaga pag sinabing, baking, si ano yan, si Cancerian yan, or singing, si Cancerian yan, ganon. Knight of Cups, Four of Cups. I also see na maaring sa pagiging busy mo, meron kang mga mahal sa buhay or importanteng tao sa buhay mo na hindi mo mapapansin. So, kailangan lang din na balance yung effort mo, balance yung time mo, yung energy mo sa mga tao, sitwasyon na nag-e-expect sa'yo. You have the Four of Wands, which is about celebration. Some of you, magkakaroon kayo ng sarili nyong bahay, property, na masasabi nyong pinaghirapan nyo talaga, kaya you are celebrating your wins. May mga big wins dito. You have Message in a Bottle, Yin, which is about receiving. So, you will receive a very important message. Pwedeng galing ito sa taong matagal mo nang hindi nakakausap, nakikita, or pwedeng nasa abroad. A very important message. I feel like there is a healing energy dito sa message na to. Pwedeng someone is going to ask for forgiveness. Someone is para siyang closure eh. Oo, closure sa naging issue or problema ninyo before. I also see na mas magiging very strong ang inyong instinct, intuition ninyo, na kumbaga magiging pabor sa'yo yan kasi when it comes to your discernment, no, yung judgment mo, yung decision making mo, mas magiging madali for you because alam mo kung ano yung makakabuti for you. You have Venus in the 10th house. Okay, so this is about career, your business. Yung iba sa inyo magkakaroon ng career or business related sa beauty, related sa health, related sa finances. Okay? Pwede rin sa investments. You have Venus in the 12th house and then Mercury in the 8th house. So, some of you, Cancer, maaaring magkaroon kayo ng relationship na medyo toxic, okay? But, I think, darating yung time na marirealize mo na, tama na, sobra na, palitan na. Kaya siguro aalis ka sa sitwasyon na yan and you will start a new beginning, like a new life para sa sarili mo. It's like freeing yourself. Security. Yan. So, mas magfo-focus ka rin sa financial security mo. 5 years from now, marami kang ipon. Oo. Maaaring magkakaroon ka ng maraming mga investments or yung insurance. Yung iba naman sa inyo, this is about pagbibigay ng energy sa mga tamang tao, sitwasyon, or bagay para sa'yo na hindi masasayang. See, you are changing course. A closed door is an invitation from life to move in an even better direction. It's time to change course. So, you will know kung kailangan mo nang magbago ng direction. Dahil yung gut feel mo, yung instinct mo ang mag-guide sa'yo niyan. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.